Ria, and today I'm going to tell you why AquaGuard Enhanced Next is the right choice for you. AquaGuard comes from the house of Eureka Forbes, who we all know are the pioneers in water purification for more than 35 years. AquaGuard is also trusted by 1.5 crore mothers and over 1.6 lakh doctors across India. And I can tell you, it is the perfect blend of modern design and superior purification. Eureka Forbes was founded in India in 1982. So, we are truly the Indian brand for the Indian consumer, offering genuine made-in-India products. There are many more reasons why AquaGuard Enhanced Next is superior to the ordinary water purifiers in the market. First and foremost, AquaGuard comes with multiple advanced stages of purification, offering the best-in-class technologies compared to any other water purifier. Storing water in copper vessels overnight and then regular cleaning of the vessels is cumbersome and time-consuming. AquaGuard's patented active copper technology provides the goodness of copper by infusing the right amount of copper in the water. It lets you have healthy and tasty water without all the hassles thanks to its clean-free technology. It is beneficial for consumption throughout the day for all age groups and can be used for all types of food preparations. Water has many minerals like calcium and magnesium which are required for a healthy body. Ordinary water purifiers deplete these minerals. However, AquaGuard's Mineral Guard technology helps retain these natural essential minerals in your water. Another standout feature of AquaGuard is its UV e-boiling technology. Not all UVs are UV e-boiling. Compared to the slow disinfection given by ordinary UV in other water purifiers, it is faster and more efficient. Since childhood, we have seen our parents and grandparents swear by the purification provided by 20 plus minutes of boiling water. The UV e-boiling technology instantly gives water as safe and pure as that boiled for 20 plus minutes without the hassles of boiling water on the stove. An additional protection of ultrafiltration process makes the water crystal clear. Apart from its superior technologies, AquaGuard Enhanced Next comes with a bundle of additional benefits. It is compact and takes up less space in your kitchen compared to bulky models of other brands. Its sleek and premium design complements your kitchen aesthetics. It also comes with a long cartridge life of 6,000 liters. It is the best option available in the market for municipal water with TDS of up to 200 mg per liter. You think that's all? There's so much more. It also has a large storage of 7 liters from where the stored, purified water can be dispensed even without electricity. Moreover, the transparent tank allows you to check water levels easily. Its smart autofill technology automatically refills the storage tank every time water is drawn out. In addition, it comes with flexible installation options and can be easily placed on your countertop or wall mounted as per your convenience and kitchen space. The smart LED indicators give alerts for when service is due, in case of electronic errors and when cartridges need to be replaced. Your health is of top priority to us. These days, many local service providers claim to be AquaGuard's authorized service center and use fake filters and spare parts. This may harm the health of your family. Hence, AquaGuard is now equipped with Health Protect technology that ensures that no spurious parts can be fitted into your AquaGuard and alerts you when the cartridge life is over. Thus, your family's safety and health is secured. We share your concern for the environment, and so Enhanced Next comes with ES mode, which automatically switches off the power supply to the water purifier once the water tank is full. This not only prevents wastage of energy, but also helps you save on your electricity bills. Whoa, that is a long list of phenomenal features of the AquaGuard Enhanced Next. No wonder कि हर water purifier AquaGuard नहीं होता. So, ensure that you only go for the best and order the AquaGuard Enhanced Next now.